So I'm going to redo, this is just a little red part that's on it. I'm going to redo this in red pearl, but I won't use this red base. You can actually use that red base if you wanted to and put the red pearl over the top, but this time I'm actually going to use black as the base. So the same thing again, you give it a good mix upside down. Pour a little bit in the airbrush. And you should be able to, same thing again, just light coats. Very light coats from side to side, just building up the colour depth. You don't want to do it all in one go. If you start doing it in one go, you run the risk of it pooling and getting tacky and yuck and stuff. So you just do a light coat and then you just go back over the first. So generally, especially with a colour like a black, 2 coats and you're done. That's our black base. So if you notice, I'm just using the paint. I'm not using any primers as the base. So now with the pearl, again we'll give that a shake upside down. Now the pearls, because they're very translucent pigment, they take more than a couple of coats sometimes to get a full coverage. So what I'll do, we'll fill that up again, and again, just very light coats.